Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change theme on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to change the theme on your device can help you personalize its appearance to better suit your preferences and style. Whether you want a different color scheme, icon set, or overall aesthetic, changing the theme can give your device a fresh look and feel. So, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, press any screen on your device. Okay, after that select theme option. So on this page, you will find many kind of themes that you can apply to your device. Okay, so select the free theme you like it the most. And then click this option to get the theme. Well, after downloading process is complete, click apply button and wait till the process is finished. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change theme on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.